Hey guys, Div here, and today we are going to unbox Oracura Smart Water Flosser OC100. This is an electric flosser which runs on internal battery. There's also another electric flosser from the same company, which is Oracura OC001. Both are pretty similar, but OC100, which I have right here, is having a storage capacity of 300 ml, and whereas the other one has a capacity of 150 ml. I have brought this model during Amazon flash sale, and the final cost was around 2070 rupees. Now let's take a look at the box itself. In the front it says smart water flosser, uh, and some of the features is advanced teeth protection, improves healthcare, superior intradental cleaning. uh, it has a 360 rotatory nozzle, and it's also rechargeable. As you can see, the price yeah price mentioned here is 3050 rupees. On the other side it says one USB cable, one 300 ml water tank with main unit, two standard nozzles, and one operation manual. Okay, now let's take a look what's inside. First we have some warranty card, then instruction manual, here we have the main unit itself. I'm gonna put that aside for a second, and I think we have some extra nozzle, another extra nozzle, and a USB cable. My first impression is that it looks pretty solid and high quality built. Here's the main unit itself. On the top we can see there's a on off switch. Then we have mode switch. It has three modes: normal, soft, and pulse. The normal mode is for regular use, the soft mode is for first time use, and the pulse mode is to massage your gums. Now let's fill this with water. I'll just attach the nozzle on the top. There's also one fact that I forgot to mention, which is this water tank itself is detachable. Now let's attach the nozzle. As you can see, the nozzle can rotate in 360-degree direction, so it covers all of your mouth. Okay, now let's test this. Just you press the on button. I have to say, the pressure is pretty solid. As you can see, my finger itself is vibrating on normal mode. The soft mode is a bit gentle, and the pulse mode has a vibrating feel to it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay safe.